Hi everyone, welcome to another GCSE biology video by SMARTPATHTUTORIng. This is about photosynthesis and limiting factors. Photosynthesis produces glucose using light. Photosynthesis uses energy to change carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. It takes place in chloroplasts in green plant cells. They contain pigments like chlorophyll that absorbs light. Energy is transferred to the chloroplast from the environment by light. Photosynthesis is endothermic. This means energy is transferred from the environment in the process. The word equation for photosynthesis is below. Here is the symbol equation 2 below. Plants use glucose in 5 main ways. For respiration, this transfers energy from glucose, which enables the plants to convert the rest of the glucose into various other useful substances. Making cellulose. Glucose is converted into cellulose for making strong plant cell walls. Making amino acids. Glucose is combined with nitrate ions absorbed from the soil to make amino acids, which are then made into proteins. Stored as oils or fats. Glucose is turned into lipids, fats and oils for storing in seeds. Stored as starch. Glucose is turned into starch and stored in roots, stems, and leaves, ready for use when photosynthesis isn't happening, like in the winter. Starch is insoluble, which makes it better for storing than glucose. A cell with lots of glucose in it would draw in loads of water and swell up. Limiting factors affect the rate of photosynthesis. The rate of photosynthesis is affected by intensity of light, concentration of CO2, and temperature. Any of these 3 factors can become the limiting factor. This just means that it's stopping photosynthesis from happening any faster. These factors have a combined effect on the rate of photosynthesis, but which factor is limiting at a particular time depends on the environmental conditions. At night, it's pretty obvious that light is a limiting factor. In winter, it's often the temperature. If it's warm enough and bright enough, the amount of CO2 is usually limiting. Chlorophyll can also be a limiting factor of photosynthesis. The amount of chlorophyll in a plant can be affected by a disease. For example, infection with the tobacco mosaic virus, or environmental stress, such as lack of nutrients. These factors can cause chloroplasts to become damaged or to not make enough chlorophyll. This means the rate of photosynthesis is reduced because they can't absorb as much light. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.